everyone, I am Nicole with Gator Metal Roofing, and I am here today in the beautiful Elon, North Carolina with Miss Darlene Hawkins. Darlene, how are you doing today?
Doing great.
I would love to know, how long have you lived in your beautiful home?
About 30 years.
That's amazing. What made you want to move to Elon in general, and what's your favorite thing about living here?
Well, my husband's family was from Elon, and I lived in Burlington. So we got together and wound up here.
You must obviously love this area so much. You stayed here for 30 years. That's amazing. That's rare to find these days. I feel like a lot of people are very transient. What got you interested in possibly switching out the shingles to a metal roof?
Well, we'd had the roof on the house close to 20 years. Wow. So we knew it needed replacing. My brother, Mindy, has a metal, and he told me, sis, you need to go with a metal and not shingle. So that's what we did.
And before we get into kind of the process of getting the new roof installed, what was the condition of your previous roof like?
Well, the professional roofers y'all had that come up here, I had 3 boards that had to be replaced that were rotted out.
Oh, yeah.
So it was only a matter of time before it would have been leaking or it would have blowed off.
Yeah. So from beginning to end, what was your experience like from installation, from getting the estimate, inspection? Just how was the entire process working with our team?
Oh my gosh, the Sultan Tom that come out here was so nice. He sold me on this roof, the lifetime warranty on it, just everything that y'all offered, the price. I had several estimates, and y'all's was just the best. The teamwork, the guys come up here on a 90-plus day, the 3 of them, and worked in that heat and hotted it up. Oh, it was just amazing. I watched them, and I don't know how they did it.
And what made you decide on going with this nice rusty brown color?
Well, I just thought it would go with what my nails, what I already had up, so I didn't have to change things too much visible. And I thought it looks really good.
I love it. I think you have the cutest house. It's very much cottagecore. I feel like reminds me of like a cute little fairy, like woodlands house. I love it.
Thank you.
How impressed are you just about Gator and just your new roof in general?
Oh, to me, they're the top. They're a great company, and if you go with them, they're going to do everything to make you happy. And I'm just so pleased. This is one of the best investments I have ever made in my house. I know it's increased the value of it, and just the fact that I don't have to worry about this roof anymore, for the remainder of the time I'm in this house is great.
And I know you were telling me before, this is something you and your husband had been saving up for a while, correct?
Yes, we knew we were going to have to get it. And when we started having all the rain, we realized we need to do this roof now because the price is going to get higher and higher.
Do you remember how long it took from the initial estimate and inspection to when the roof was completed, just like the time frame?
They worked me in within a week.
Okay.
They came down here and got it done in a day.
Yeah. Do you have any advice about people who might be interested in a metal roof but maybe are hesitant, if it is about the price or just hesitant about, the change overall?
It is worth the difference in the price, whether you can get a lifetime warranty where the shingles would start from the day after depreciating. For me, this was the best investment we could have done. And I was so happy I went with a metal roof for y'all.
And how does your husband feel about it?
He loves it. He actually was leaving it up to me whether to go with a shingle or a metal. And my brother,
you picked right, girlfriend.
My brother said you need to go with the metal.
Well, then he knew right to listen to his wife and let his wife make the executive decision, because it obviously turned out great. And like you said, you can't beat the lifetime warranty.
No.
One, our materials are built to last for a lifetime anyway, but then you just get the additional security of the lifetime warranty on top of it.
Yes.
You have just that peace of mind that, for me, you can't even beat just peace of mind of everything.
Yes.
Do you have any advice on people who maybe they'll be watching this, and again, sometimes we get it that the price might be a little too out of reach for some people, but just the overall investment of a metal roof and why it's so important, especially living here in the Carolinas?
It is worth the investment. Talk to them. Sometimes they can work with you doing their own financing, whatever you need to do. If you know your roof is past due a roof,
Mm-hmm.
consider to go this way.
Mm-hmm.
I have no regrets at all going with this company or this roof. I'm so happy.
Oh, well, we're so happy that you're happy. It was a pleasure meeting you today. I can tell how happy you are through the phone, and that's what we love to do, is to make you guys happy, and I love meeting you guys. This is my favorite thing about my job. So, Miss Darlene, it was a pleasure meeting you. Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us. Are there any final words that you have just about working with our team or your metal roof in general?
Well, I know if I have any problems down the road and I call y'all gonna be up here.
We're like the Ghostbusters. Just bring us a call. We're here.
And hopefully it will not be no problems. I'm just so happy. Thank you so much for coming in and interviewing me all this.
Of course, Darlene, we're so excited for you. And again, we're just a phone call away, so feel free to give us a call whenever.
Thank you.
Of course, have a good one.
You too, huh?